the age of African guitar lessons. So cameraman, come close, come close. So what I played in this video is like this. Now I played on the key of G, on this key. This is the key of G, okay? So this is the key of G here. I play on this shape, okay? So the chord progression of what I played here is like this. Do, okay? Then do, then you play, okay? The chord progression is, okay? Which is your G here, which is your C, G, okay? Then your D. Now, so what I played here is like this now. So I played these two strings here. These are the strings I'm playing here. These are the strings I'm playing here. This is the string here. I play these two strings together. Okay? See what I'm playing. See the hand here. Okay? I strike these two strings here. Okay? Okay? These are the two strings. These are the strings I'm playing here. Okay? 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 I'm playing these two strings. Then these are the strings I'm playing here. I strike these two strings together, okay? Which is your G string, string 1 and second string together. I'm playing string 1 and second string together, okay? Then I come here, I play these two strings together. This is Fa and La here, which is your C and E here, okay? So okay, like this. Okay. So that's the first thing I did. Then the second thing I did here is, so which is do, re, mi, re, do. Okay. Do, re, mi, re, do, which is your G, A, and your B here, and your A here. Okay. Okay. So let's combine the first one and the second one. Okay. 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 So it's like this. So the next part I did here, what I did here in this video is like this, okay? 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 Which is the first part is like this. Okay? So it's like this. So the last part is like this. Okay, dun, dun, okay, dun, dun, okay. This is like this. So this is okay, which is your G shape, your D shape. Okay, which is your D shape here. Dun, 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 dun. So let's combine the all phrase together. Let's combine them together and see. Okay. So the other part is like this. I play it on that same shape, okay? I play on that same shape, on that same G shape, but I play it here. Now, okay? Okay? So I played it like this. So do, 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 mi, so, so, fa, la, fa. So, mi, so, mi, re, ti, re. Okay? So, like this, I play on this shape. I play on that same progression. Do, which is your G, C, G, then your D. Okay? So, do, mi, so, fa, la, fa. Okay? The first part is like this. The first phrase is like this. Do, mi, so, fa, la, fa. Do, mi, so, mi, re, ti, re. Okay? So I am playing this one. First string, second string here. Okay? So I start from third string here. Do, mi, so, so. Okay? Third string. Do, mi, so, so. Then fa, la, fa. Do, mi, so, mi, ti, re. Okay? Do, mi, so, so, fa, la, fa. Do, mi, so, mi. Then ti, re. Okay? That's what I'm playing here. Mi, so, so, fa, la, fa. Do, mi, so, mi. Ti, re. Okay? So let's combine it together and see. So the other one here, the other part is like this. The other part here is like this, okay? It's still on this shape, okay? On this shape. So the other part is I played in this video is like this, okay? This is the third leg here, okay? This is the third leg. So what I'm playing here is it's still on this shape. So do, do, so, la, fa, fa, do, do, so, ti, ti, so, ti, ti. Okay? Do, do, so, la, fa, la, do, do, so, ti, so, ti, ti. Okay? Do, do, so, la, fa, la, do, do, so, ti, so, ti, ti. Okay? So okay, so these are the three Sebene, okay? So let's combine them all together.